Toe loop means one of the most well-known sports at the Winter Olympics. Figure skating is also considered by many to be the most important competition of the year. The names of the patterns, or figures, that figure skaters drew on the ice during the competition are referenced in the event's name. During the 1990s, this ability was removed from the game's competitive scene, yet, its name has remained. The toe loop is a frequent type of toe jump that figure skaters are required to learn. In this jump, the skater uses the toe pick, which is the serrated piece of the skate blade that is located at the toe of the foot, to propel them into the air. A skater that is performing a toe loop will jump off the ice with one toe pick while maintaining their balance on the ice with their other skate. After completing one complete spin, the skater will land on the outer edge of the same foot that was planted in the ground previously. This is widely regarded as one of the sport's most straightforward leaps. It is quite similar to the Lutz, but the most important distinction is that the toe loop lands on the same foot that the skater jumped off of, whereas the Lutz lands on the opposite foot. Within the realm of Winter Olympic sports, figure skating stands out as a unique exception. The Olympic Winter Games were not staged for the first time until 1924. However, the 1908 Summer Olympics in London were held from April until October and included certain winter activities, including figure skating. When the General Games were held in Antwerp in 1920, figure skating was included as an event for the second time. This was the last time it was included in the General Games before the first Winter Olympics were held in 1924. Figure skating, as it is practiced today, includes competitions for men, women, and pairs, in addition to ice dancing, which was introduced in 1976.